the first time, the great hyperspace core was found. With it came the gift of interstellar travel, and the Outer Rim trade routes were established, uniting the galaxy in peace. "4,000 years passed before the second core was discovered on a desert planet. Pain and bloodshed flowed in its wake. But the exiles returned to their homeworld, Higara. A young woman led them across the galaxy, and it is she who will lead them again. Her name is Karen Sajet. This is the story of the end time. We know this because the third core has been found. Under the dark influence of this core, the Taidan have risen under a new leader, a Vagar warrior lord named Makan. He calls himself the Sajakar, the Chosen One. Many systems have already fallen under his shadow, and his eyes are set upon Higara. Deep inside the great derelict at Tanis, construction of a new mothership is underway, the pride of Higara. Once more, the exiles will face the coming darkness.
This is Fleet Command. Stand by for hyperspace core transfer.
Containment unit online. All power signatures in the green. Primary couplings released.
Trajectory is good. The hyperspace core is away. This is Tanis Control. We have visual contact with the core. Proceed with transfer.
Trajectory and alignment confirmed. Take it to 115 and initiate capture procedures. Mothership recognizes the core and confirms signal lock.
Fleet Command online. Mothership status report. Engineering online. Stand by to initiate engine sequence. Main engines online. Engine test complete. All standard drives are operational. Navigation online. The mothership is standing by.
Resetting navigation.
This is Fleet Intelligence. Our task is to analyze sensor data and generate mission objectives. Before launching the mothership, we must conduct a series of trials to ensure all critical systems are operational. Throughout these trials, the mothership will be running with a minimal crew and will remain docked with Tanis. Once these trials are complete, we will launch the mothership and test the hyperspace core. The first trial will test the resourcing system. A resource collector is standing by. Begin retrieval of resource containers at this location.
Roger.
Salvage target acquired.
Mothership.
Acknowledged.
Resourcing systems fully operational. Trial successful.
We will now test the mothership's production capabilities. Begin construction of a fighter facility subsystem.
Mothership. Production underway.
Ready.
Foundry, this is Floor. How far away?
Understood.
Mothership fighter facility complete. Fighter facility subsystem complete. Engineering is online and ready for fighter production.
To test basic combat capabilities, construct an interceptor squadron.
Production underway.
Target selected for salvaging.
Reporting.
Interceptor squadron complete.
Stand by to begin combat trials.
Copy.
Perimeter Station Chimera will assist by providing target drones. The drones are located here. Use the interceptors to destroy the target drones.
Strike group coordinates locked in.
Interceptor squadron complete.
Ready. Copy. Move attack confirmed.
Supporting friendly units.
Acknowledged.
Enemy neutralized. Awaiting orders. Attention, Tanis Control. This is Perimeter Station Chimera. We have multiple unidentified units detected. Signal indicates Vager Bomber Strike Force.
Tanis is under attack. All forces to combat alert. This is not a test. Interceptors have been launched from Chimera. The enemy must be eliminated. Order all interceptors to destroy the Vager bombers.
Reporting. Move attack coordinates locked in.
Roger. Supporting friendly units.
Target destroyed.
Chimera station is offline. The Vager have breached the Tanis perimeter.
The mothership is under attack. We cannot stay here any longer. Emergency launch underway.
Release crews, stand by for emergency launch.
Roger that, Tanis. Primary couplings released.
She's looking good. Green line confirmed.
The mothership has cleared Tanis. We are away.
Multiple enemy reinforcements detected. Estimated time before contact, 2 minutes. Begin construction of attack bombers immediately. Bombers will be required to defend the mothership.
Production underway. The mothership is taking light enemy fire. Mothership. Target locked. Bomber squadron complete.
Attack complete. Awaiting further orders.
Drawing heavy fire. Ready. Docking with mothership. There's nothing left out here. Roger.
Strike group coordinates locked in.
Bomber squadron complete.
Docking signal green.
Priority alert. The Vager are using hyperspace gates. If they are not destroyed, the enemy will deploy reinforcements through them. These gates must be destroyed.
Acknowledged. Strike group prepare for assault.
Reporting. Strike group, prepare for assault. Strike group, prepare for assault.
Interceptor squadron complete.
Supporting friendly units.
Gate destroyed. Destroy all the remaining hyperspace gates.
Supporting friendly units. Under fire. Requesting orders.
Interceptor squadron complete.
sensors have detected multiple enemy signals converging on Tanis. All ships initiate docking procedures and stand by for hyperspace.
The Vagar have arrived. Emergency hyperspace procedures initiated. The mothership must survive.
Tanis base has been destroyed. The Vagar have launched a massive invasion. The Garan outposts are falling all across the inner rim. The crew of the mothership is making an emergency departure. The planetary defense systems are standing by. Before we can mount a counterattack, we must rendezvous with the mothership's crew. We will exit hyperspace in the shadow of the Angel Moon. A rally point has been established at this location. Prepare for enemy contact.